Okay, we're going to do a quick review of the Harbor Freight pickup truck mounted crane. Right now I have this mounted on my flatbed trailer, but we're going to reach over and we're going to unload this generator. I bought this crane because I'm getting too old to lift that generator. So we're just going to swing around here, pick that generator up, pull the truck out from underneath it, and let the generator down on the ground. So I'm going to put you on Kevin here. Right there, dude. And we'll just unload the generator real quick. That thing is slick. Yep. Yepper. Oh. Okay. So that's it. That's how that crane works. That generator got to weigh 150, 200 pounds. I have it set at the 600-pound weight limit. Could have went out here a little bit further to 500 pounds and still shouldn't have had any problem. You can see it'll lift 1,000, 700, 600, 500 pound setting on it. It comes with the angle brackets. You can see them underneath there bolted in. Those come with it. The bolts that are in here right now did not come with it. I needed longer bolts to fit this 1.5-inch lumber. But it does come with 4 bolts that will go through a pickup truck bed. They're probably about 1.25 inch bolt. So, pretty nice tool. I'm pretty pleased with it. Again, the reason I bought it, I'm just getting too old to lift this stuff. But nice little hydraulic jack that swivels to which side location you're working on. You can work the jack from that location, that side. Got a through pin that goes here that locks it in place so it doesn't swivel if you're going down the road or something. Pretty sturdily built. The welds here look okay with some little gussets in here to strengthen the tube. Decent weld here from what I see. You know, it's all painted up nice, but I think it's overall just a pretty nice tool. All the pins have hair pins in them, so if you want to tear it apart, it doesn't take much to tear it apart. Come apart pretty quick, pretty easy. Pretty nice tool so far. The only thing I loaded that generator with it and then unloaded it. You just saw me do that. That's all so far, but all in all, I think it'd be a pretty good tool for you know, this general handyman that needs to lift stuff and he's working by himself, needs to get stuff off a pickup truck or something. I think that would do it pretty darn nice. So there you are. That's my review of it. I bought that thing on Labor Day sale. Got 25% off coupon. $144.95. I think I got it for $115, which would even thrill me that much better. So overall, pretty nice deal. So there you go. That's my review, but I'd recommend it. Yeah, if you get a chance, you need something to lift with. Pretty handy tool. I'd recommend it. I think you can go wrong at that price. So anyway, that's it. Yep, it's a handy tool. You bet, Kevin. You bet. So that's it. If you're interested in buying a Harbor Freight pickup truck crane, I recommend it. So
I do.
You do too, huh? Okay, good enough. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.